Given that x plus y equals 1, what's the largest possible value of x times y? Most people answer too quickly, and that's exactly why they get it wrong. Let's slow down and find the true maximum. We will start with a simple idea. Before we do anything, pause the video for a second. What numbers would you guess? Most people say 1/4. The answer feels right, but feels right is not the same as being correct. So let's justify it. A common approach is focus on the relations between x and y. X plus y equal to 1. This tells us something. If x is negative and y is negative, then x plus y less than 0. It will not happen. If one of x or y is 0, then x times y equal to 0. If x is negative and y is positive, then x times y less than 0. While both x and y is positive, x and y should less than 1. It lists that x times y will be less than 1. We have the nice finding. The maximum value of x times y should be between 0 and 1. Let's go further. X, y less than 1, review with certain numbers. While x equal to 1/9, y equal to 8/9, then x times y equal to 8/81. Increase x value to 2/9, y equal to 7/9, then x times y equal to 14/81, x equal to 3/9, y equal to 6/9, xy equal to 18/81, x equal to 4/9, y equal to 5/9, xy equal to 20/81. Now we find if the value of x close to the value of y, then the value of x times y will increase. Then the maximum occurs right in the middle. It means x equal to 1/2, y equal to 1/2, then the value is 1/4. So was the guess correct? By luck? Or is there a deeper reason? Now let's dig out more. X plus y equal to 1, then y equal to 1 minus x. Substitute y by 1 minus x to x times y. Develop and get xy equal to x minus x squared. Adjust the right side of equation as minus bracket x squared minus x bracket. I'm going to generate an square. So distribute these items as minus bracket x squared minus 2 times 1/2x, then add 1/2 squared and minus 1/2 squared. It becomes minus bracket quantity x minus 1/2 squared minus 1/2 squared. Adjust as minus quantity x minus 1/2 squared plus quantity 1/2 squared. Quantity x minus 1/2 squared larger or equal to 0. So minus quantity x minus 1/2 squared less or equal to 0. So the maximum is 1 over 2 squared. It is 1 over 4. When a sum is fixed, a product is maximized when the two numbers are equal. These ideas appears everywhere in mathematics. In next videos, we will see this idea again. But with 3 variables, and the surprise is even bigger.